What's up guys? For today's vlog, I will be summarizing the chapter 4 which is network access. Physical layer media. Copper cable. The signals are pattern of electrical pulses. Fiber optic cable. The signals are patterns of light. Then wireless, the signals are patterns or microwave transmissions. So, the physical components. Physical components are the electronic hardware devices, media, and other connectors that transmit and carry the signals to represent the bits. Hardware components such as NICs, interface, and connectors, cable materials. Cable designs are all specified standards associated with the physical layer. So, encoding. Encoding or line encoding is a method of converting a stream of data. So, code are groupings of bits used to provide predictable pattern that can be recognized by both sender and the receiver. So, signaling. The physical layer must generate the electrical, optical, or wireless signals that represent the 1 and 0 on media. The method of representing the bits is called the signaling method. So, the physical layer standards define what of signal represents A1 and what type of signal represents A0. So, characteristics copper cabling. Electromagnetic interface or EMI. LMI and RH signals can distort and corrupt the data signals being carried by copper media. Crosstalk. So, crosstalk is a disturbance caused by the electric or magnetic fields of signal on one line to the signal in an adjacent line. Coaxial cable. So, wireless installation. Coaxial cable attach antennas to wireless devices. The coaxial cable carries radio frequency energy between the antennas and the ratio equipment. So, cable internet installation. Cable service provide internet connectivity to their customers by replacing portions of the coaxial cable and supporting application elements with the fiber optic cable. However, the wiring inside the customer represents premises is still cost cable. Properties of UTP cabling. Cancellation. Designers now pair wires in a circuit. When two wires in a electrical circuit are placed close together, their magnetic fields are the exact opposite of each other. Therefore, the two magnetic fields cancel each other and also cancel out of their RIF signals. So, varying the number of twists per wire pair. To further enhance the cancellation effect of paired circuit wires, designers vary numbers of twitch of each pair in a cable. The UTP cabling standards. So we have a cabling types, cable lengths, connectors, cable termination, methods of testing cable. Types of UTCP cable. Ethernet straight through. Here a most common type of networking cable. It is commonly used of interconnected a host to a switch and switch to a router. Either crossover. A cable used to intercompact similar devices, for example, to connect a switch A to host, or router to router. So, row lever. A Cisco proprietary cable used to connect a workstation to a router or switch console port. Types of fiber media. Single mode fiber. Consist of very small core and users laser technology to send rays of light and shown is figure. So, multi-mode fiber consists of larger core and use LED emitters to send light pulses, specifically light from a ED enters B multimode. Testing fiber cables. We have a misalignment. The fiber optic media are not precisely aligned to one another when joined. So, and second, end gap. The media does not uh, completely touch at the splice and connection. So third and finish. I carried the Arla well polished or did is represent the temptation. Wireless LAN. So wireless access point concentrators are the wireless signals from users and connect to the existing proper base network infrastructure. Second is wireless NIC adapters. Provide wireless communication capability to each network host. So data link suppliers, logical link. This upper supplier communicates with the network layer. So second is media access control. This over supplier defines the media access processes performed by hardware. So the last is physical and logical topologies. So physical topology refers to the physical connections and identities how and device and infrastructure device such as router switches and wireless access point are interconnected. Physical topologies are usually point to point star. So logical topology refers to a network so from one neck to the next. The arrangement consists of virtual connection between needs of a network. These logical signal parts are defined by data link layer protocols. Common physical WAN topologies. Point to point. This is the simplest topology that consists of a permanent link between two endpoints. For this reason, this is very popular WAN topologies. Hub and spoke. A one version of the star topology in which a central site interconnect branch sites using point-to-point links. The third is mesh. The topology provides high availability but requires that every end system be interconnected to every other system. Therefore, the administrative and physical cost can be significant. Each link is essentially a point-to-point link to the other route. Physical LAN topologies. So we have a star. Star. End devices are connected to a central intermediate device. Early star topologies interconnected end devices using Ethernet hubs. However, star topologies now use Ethernet switches. The star topology is easy to install, very scalable, easy to add and remove end devices, and easy to troubleshoot. Second is extend star. In an extend star topology, additional Ethernet switches interconnect other star topologies. An extended star is an example of hybrid topology. So the next is bus. Bus. All end systems are changed to each other and terminated in some. So that's all, guys. I hope you like my video about the chapter 4, which is the network access. Hope you understand many things even if it is just a summary of all the chapter 4. Thank you, guys. Chill, relax, and wait for my another video. Bye. Thank you for watching.